This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for March 8th, 2023. It's currently February 2nd, 2023, 9:41 p.m. Eastern Time. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a rally along a diagonal trend line breaking through horizontal resistance to meet a secondary resistance, and then we pull back to somewhere between those two price levels. However, that rally is nullified somehow. There's chart behavior here that impacts, makes that irrelevant, that rally. My sense is in behavior around the highest high. We have a key technical price level. It'll be important on more than just a one-day kind of chart. It'll be important on more than probably even just a 1 month kind of chart, but it'll be a key technical price level. And it looks like it probably was this price level here at the end of the day, which we sold from. So we're selling down in the pre-market from a key technical price level or from a key resistance level. And then right around the open, we have a move all the way from the out of a decline all the way from the bottom of a range to the top of a range. It looks like we rally probably with some price swings and a drop in there. We rally into roughly 10.15 to 10.15ish. Along the diagonal trend line, and then there's this fast sudden move higher marking the end of the rally along the diagonal trend line, followed by a decline through that diagonal trend line with increasing volatility on the way down. Decline increases with momentum moving forward into midday, where we rotate sideways along a key support level around midday, followed by the end of that rotation with a fast sudden move higher. It's matter of fact, it's like a fast sudden move higher, but then a retreat, it's like a pop and drop. So it's a failed end of that rotation. We do sideways rotation. There's a pop and drop. We come back. We rotate sideways some more. We establish support here in early to mid afternoon session, and then there's this notable move to the upside, turning resistance into new support at the end of the day. With three pokes through the same price level, followed by a sharp decline off of the third poke there towards the right around the close. Looks like we have Congress highlighted after the close as well. And again, when we look at that 1 month, there's something going on here between the 7th and the 8th. The 7th and the 8th, maybe even early on the 9th, it looks like, having to do with Congress and a male leader of probably of nations. My sense, I mean, it's not the Emperor card per se, but there's a male leader and Congress highlighted, some sort of issue, and it looks like a lot of it happens at the end of the day here on the 7th. Overnight between the 6th and the 7th, end of the day on the 7th. Sorry, end of the day on the 8th. Not the 7th, the 8th. So overnight between the 6th and the 7th, end of the day on the 8th, or overnight on the 8th, 9th. And then again at the end of the day on the 10th. Scratch that, not the 10th. So it's roughly these 3 days, 6th, 7th, and 8th. Maybe even just a little bit into the 9th, but something going on there that really stands out to me. Overall volume looks like interesting. So it looks like we have that's a difficult one. It's like there's bullish volume on both ends with a sharp, a strong amount of bearish volume in between. It's like a midday, sharp bearish volume overall. And that's the S&P 500. Oh, a sneak preview for the following day. Again, a nullified sideways rotation along key support, increasing with bullish momentum as we move forward in time. However, that is nullified somehow, meaning it's made irrelevant by some other chart behavior that happens the following day. We should open higher, possibly not necessarily much higher. actually it's nullified, so all bets are off there, guys. Hard to say. When we look at the something there at the end of the day with Congress overnight, looks like we open higher. That's my sense. We open higher. And that's the S&P 500 for March 8th, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, my friends. Oh, I left out some info. So I want to trade around an unexpected move to the upside, but it looks like that trade probably took place. The unexpected move to the upside was late in the day on the 7th. Behavior around the highest high, key technical price level, behavior around the low. So we have a key resistance level that we failed to break through, and then we declined through key support into the low. The high and the low were within close time proximity to each other as well. Somewhere around here is the high and the low, it looks like. But in any case, that's the S&P for the 8th of March, my friends. Don't forget to follow that rule of karma, 5% forward. Somebody who needs it doesn't see it coming. 5% back to the channel here through PayPal or Cash App at our resource tab on tarotfortraders.com. Make sure whatever you spend that money on, you're spending out of love. Otherwise, the universe is going to snatch that profit right out of your pocket like it never happened. I promise you this. I did not spend my life's work to sit here and make the wrong people rich. So blessed be you who follows the rule of karma. My friends, I'll see you on the next one.